Welcome to our tutorial about literals. Literals are values that stay constant. On the screen here is an example of a numeric literal. In this example, the number of hours in a day is 24. That's a numeric literal, a value that is constant, unchanging, at least on Earth. This value can be represented by bytes or the integer data type. Another example of a numeric literal. Let's say you've got 7.5 working hours a day. This literal can be represented as a single or double data type due to the decimal point. However, the Visual Basic string literal is represented by the string data type, and it's placed inside quotation marks. As you see, the number 1985 is a string literal. It's simply text without numeric value. But Visual Basic can convert this string literal into a numeric literal. Now let's take a look at an empty string, or it's also called a null string. The quotation marks in this case are together without anything inside them, not even a space. My last example is a time literal. Time literals are embedded within pound symbols. This literal is represented by the date data type. It can be written in any valid time format. And this concludes our tutorial about literals.